Good morning, everyone. जैसे Manish ji had set the tone for me. Thank you, Manish ji. Because real life examples are really important when you are becoming an entrepreneur, because that's tell you how you are in difficult situation, you have to act accordingly. So it's truly an honor to be here at the 11th Corporate Summit. So now, when we started, I started as a career with a job in Reliance. And then I moved to Lenco BGR. So I basically was developing boilers for India. And after that, since there was, I बनिया हूँ मैं, तो थोड़ा सा खून में ही लिखा है कि आपको जॉब तो करनी नहीं है. तो then I moved into an entrepreneurial role at Ornate Solar. And पहले हमने चालू warehousing से किया था. तो basically where now was my first entrepreneurial journey, where actually we were trying to create a warehouse where you can keep a thing for one day. So that was how the entire concept was, one day, one pallet, and the space you required, the time or the duration you required the space, you can actually utilize it. Now with AI, I can see the change. If I would have done that, if I would have done that startup till date, I would have really succeeded on that. But yes, now we are into renewable sector, solar, where we have been very prominent. We have done a cumulative turnover of 28 CR till date. So we established Ornate Solar in 2014. And we started with a distribution. So पहले पैसा कमाना होता है, then R&D में लगाना होता है. So that way we have been developing. So that is how the mindset should be. So जो यहाँ पे जितने भी बच्चे आए हैं, so the students who are here, who are learning. So entrepreneurial journey is not that easy actually. So you have to be very prominent. You have to be continuously changing, adopting according to the market. जैसे सर ने अभी कहा था कि आप अपने फादर से जाके पूछेगा, एवरीबडी मेक्स यू लर्न. उन्होंने, क्योंकि देयर इज अ जनरेशन गैप बिटवीन यू एंड योर फादर, देयर विल ऑलवेज बी अ डिफरेंस, बट ही इज द बेस्ट टीचर फॉर यू, because whatever he has seen, he will add a 50 years or a 40 years or a 30 years experience what he has already done. Because the thing is ki he has seen the journey, he has seen the market. The technology will change. It will keep on changing. It will make you. It may happen that the business, whatever you are doing, he has seen the ups and downs in the market. So we speak about here now. I'll come down to the topic, India at 2030. So India at 2030, we are speaking about the decisions that are being made today. So the thing is कि if you are not starting to make the decisions today, you cannot do what you have to achieve in 2030. So आप बहुत दूर की बात नहीं कर रहे. You are talking next 5 years. So the planning starts right here, right now. So you, the people, when you step out of the college, the real will start actually. So it is, अभी तक आपको पैसा आपके पेरेंट्स दे रहे थे, उसके बाद आपको खुद कमाना है, आपको अपने पेरेंट्स को भी देना है. सो द रियल विल स्टार्ट आफ्टर दैट. इट इज़, अभी आप, यू आर इन अ वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड. सो जो भी आपको मिल रहा है उसको एडहर करें, उसको सीखें. जितना आप सीख सकते हैं उसी को आप यूटिलाइज कर पाएंगे. सो नाउ इंडिया, कमिंग टू इंडिया. सो at global front, now you cannot ignore India. अभी तक काफ़ी समय ऐसा था कि the globally India was really ignored. But if you see the recent scenario, the Europe trade deal, the Russian energy deal, this shows that you cannot actually ignore India. India is right at the front. It is a strategic partner. It is where your responsibility begins from here, because when India grows, the people like you are behind that. You have to create enterprises globally. You cannot create enterprises just for India. Yes, India needs enterprises, but if you start now, 5 years down the line, you can create global enterprises. So that is where your entrepreneurial mindset would come across. I'll come to the next thing, that is cost advantage. So India, the basic fundamental or the basic thing where India was achieving everything was a cost advantage, because your workforce is really cost effective. If you called an European or any other country employee in India to service, it is $25,000 or something, or more than that you can say. But India में वो वही 2500 रुपए में हो जाता है. So you can see the difference of cost effectiveness. But by 2030, that may not be there, because India is growing. India is becoming a developing country, and it is nearing to a developed country in the future. So innovation is one key thing which you all have to see. You have to keep innovating. The mindset, जैसे अभी भी अगर एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं तो you have to see what the problem is, real problem is. If you can create the solution of the real problem, you are there. You are creating an entrepreneur, you are creating a brand. So जैसे सर ने एग्जिट कर दिया, मैं 10 साल से एक ही कंपनी को बना रहा हूँ, एंड आई वांट टू क्रिएट अ ब्रांड. रिलायंस, टाटा, बिरला, ये सब ने ब्रांड बनाया है. यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ ब्रांड. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट इफ यू क्रिएट अ ब्रांड. You cannot sell your company. You have to create brands which are globally recognized. So these companies are there. So you can thought bigger. You can think larger. Then operational excellence would be one key formation. Technology integration. Because since if you have seen from our parents, from our grandfather, the technology has been keep on innovating. Now we are talking about AI. So you have to adapt to those technologies. If you don't adapt, you are behind the world. If you see China, people give examples of China just because they have adopted whatever there was in the market. They have created new things from that. They are also in the same line what India is. They have the same manpower. They have the same population. But what they have created, they created the technology for the next world. Same way, India has to also come in the forefront and show that India can become the market. India can be there for the global leaders. So, and industry, at the manufacturing industry, we are talking the 4.0 is already implemented. We are talking now industry 5.0, where there will be a lot of other innovation, AI coming into picture. Your qualities will be adhered by the computer systems, and many other things will be coming. The next wave of competitiveness will be built on capability, not on cost. So you have to make your capabilities. मेरे एक बॉस थे तोमर साहब, मैं उनकी सेइंग कहता हूँ कि वो मेरे को हमेशा यही कहते थे, अरविंद तुझे जो भी सीखना है पहले 10 साल वो सीख कि बाकी के 40 साल वो तुझे कमा के दे. सो आपको अपने 10 साल तो झोंकने ही पड़ेंगे. यू कैन नॉट से कि मैं जाऊंगा 2 साल बैठूंगा, आई विल रिलैक्स, और आई विल सिट 2 साल में खूब मेहनत करूंगा, उसके साथ बैठ जाऊंगा. बट लेकिन अगर आपने पहले 10 साल मेहनत कर ली तो अगले 40 साल वो अपने आप ही आपको मेहनत कराएगा, क्योंकि दिस इज़ द रियल सेइंग. सो artificial intelligence, now because since everybody, the market is saying about artificial intelligence, so we are implementing it in the real world now. So अभी जैसे आपको हम लोग बहुत बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, we have touched 850 CR recently. So हम लोगों ने जब अपनी वेबसाइट को रीडेवलप कर रहे थे तो हमने कहा कि why to hire somebody, can we use AI? And the results were much better. So अभी लोगों को लग रहा है जॉब जा रही है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. टेक्नोलॉजी विल नेवर टेक योर जॉब्स. टेक्नोलॉजी विल इम्प्रूव यू एंड क्रिएट मोर जॉब्स. सो टेक्नोलॉजी कैन नॉट किल द जॉब्स, बट यू हैव टू अपस्किल योर सेल्फ. देयर वेयर द इम्पॉर्टेंस इट. इफ यू डू नॉट अपस्किल योर सेल्फ, you are not in the right job actually. It allows entrepreneurs. So now talking about the topic sustainability, because I am from the same sector. So sustainability is something which actually global enterprises are looking for. And in the near future, India will also be looking for. If you see the targets or the goals being set up by the present government, that is 500 gigawatt by 2030. And when Modi ji in 2014 said we will achieve 100 gigawatt by 2025, people was just laughing. The globe was laughing, and he proved it right. He proved it right. Yes, we can do it. And now we are achieving 500 gigawatt. And I can surely say we will achieve 500 gigawatt by 2030. The vision, the things, the solar, what we were talking about earlier, it was like a CSR role, the company's CSR role, that you have to put it somewhere, you have to, we have to run around people to actually put solar. Now people are asking for it because they know 3.5 साल में ROI आ जाता है, 25 साल की मुझे एनर्जी मिल रही है, and I am energy independent. The best part of the entire thing is I am energy independent because there is a global shift. The way manufacturing is growing in India, there will be an electricity shift also. You need a lot of electricity. So in that case, you need to increase the renewable sector because India does not have a lot of oil. You have to actually generate electricity from other means, and solar is one of the best means for that. So, and the another best sector is battery energy storage system, which we are doing manufacturing in India. So, battery energy storage system, since we are doing manufacturing और मैं उसके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप यूज़ ही करें, लेकिन हाँ मैं बोलूँगा इसलिए क्योंकि दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ बिग गेम चेंजर इन द मार्केट. सोलर इज़ देयर ओनली फॉर 12 to 3 because the sun is there, the sun is at a peak during that duration. But what about 6 to 9? You are still dependent on the fossil fuels. So if you have to get that solar energy in the night also, you need that battery energy storage system or the potential energy storage system or the hydro energy storage system where you put in a hydro at a height and then drop it down. So these are different parameters. So think innovatively. I can, if somebody tells me a hybrid solution with solar, there is just one small solution. If I say, I want to create a hydro with solar, तो आपको राउंड द क्लॉक एनर्जी आए तो क्या करोगे? तो सोलर से मैंने एनर्जी जनरेट करी, पंप चलाया, पानी ऊपर ले गए, आधा सोलर मैंने ग्रिड में दे दिया, और जो रात में उसी पानी को मैं हाइट से नीचे गिरा रहा हूँ और वही डायनामो घूमेगा, एंड आई गेट द एनर्जी इन द नाइट ऑल्सो. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट मेथडोलॉजीज विच यू कैन अडेप्ट. टिल यू डोंट थिंक इनोवेटिवली यू कैन नॉट बिकम एंटरप्रेन्योर. और सबसे बड़ी बात एंटरप्रेन्योर में ये होती है कि वो हमेशा सोचता रहता है. जैसे आपने अगर लोन लिया तो लोन 24 घंटे चलता रहता है, आप सोते हो तब भी आपका लोन चलता रहता है, लोन का जो अमाउंट है चलता रहता है. तो यू हैव टू ऑल्सो कीप ऑन थिंकिंग. हमारे जो 3 को फाउंडर हैं उसमें बोला जाता है एक 24 घंटे अगर मिले उसको काम करने को तो 26 घंटे काम कर सकता है. दूसरा वाला भी वैसा ही है और मैं थोड़ा सा आलसी टाइप का हूँ, लेकिन हाँ उतना काम तो मैं भी कर ही लेता हूँ. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द थिंग्स आर, एंड आई विल jump down to the conclusion that there is a geopolitical shift, there is an energy transition happening, and climate risks are always there. So whatever you are building, you have to build in build strongly and think of every scenario. It will not happen that you will not fail, you will always fail, but do not demotivate yourself from your failures. The failures are always the next success, because you do not know when your success is really there. So India stands at a defining moment. We have scale, we have talent, we have ambition, we have global trust now. Now we must combine competitiveness with innovation, growth with sustainability, and technology with resilience. If we do this right, by 2030, the world will not see India as just a fast-growing economy. it will see India as standard setting global leader. So make sure that you become leaders, because leaders are influential. Don't just make enterprises for money, make leaders out of yourself. Thank you so much.